We just got what is easily the most concrete leak on the Insta360 X6 so far. And this time, it's not a blurry spy shot or a render. It's the actual camera and the full retail box, front and back, completely readable. Shared by a new camera community source just hours ago. This leak confirms a massive chunk of what we could only guess until now. From exact retail packaging to the confirmed specs and box contents. Let's get straight into the details. Starting with the front, the box clearly labels the Insta360 X6 8K 360 camera in the Essentials bundle. Flipping it over to the back is where things get really interesting, as the official in-the-box list is fully confirmed. The bundle includes the Insta360 X6 camera itself, an extra extreme battery, a 114 centimeters invisible selfie stick, a lens cap and lens cloth, a new charging case, a USB-C cable and protective pouch. Also printed directly on the packaging is a Dolby Vision logo, confirming support for 10-bit color, Dolby Vision, and iLog formats. Plus, the U.S. entity listed is Arisure Vision US LLC based in Irvine, California, guaranteeing a proper U.S. retail launch rather than just a regional rollout. Let's do a quick recap of the hardware specs. The X6 completely ditches the tall, rectangular shape used since the original Insta360 One X, moving toward a much more compact, better balanced design closer to the GoPro Max style. Key performance specs include dual 42-megapixel sensors at 1/1.1 inches, a massive jump from the X5's 1/1.3-inch sensors, 8K video at 50 frames per second, up from 30 frames per second, 120-megapixel, 360 photos, single lens mode, 5K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 8K slow motion at 25 frames per second. Battery life, up to 140 minutes when shooting 8K at 30 frames per second. So, when can you actually buy it? While a Reddit leak of a real production unit hinted at a very aggressive July 30th release, historical patterns point more realistically to a late August or early September window. As for pricing, European retailer listings pin the Essentials bundle at around €789, roughly $860 to $870, lining up closely with previous industry reports. This brings us to the biggest question. How does it stack up against the competition? The GoPro Max 2 remains the cheapest entry point, though it falls behind on raw specs. The DJI Osmo 360 Mark II matches the X6 on 8K 60 frames per second specs, is rumored to feature replaceable lenses, and might retail closer to €500, undercutting Insta360 by nearly €200. However, there's a major catch regarding availability. While DJI faces strict FCC hurdles and regional delays for US releases, the Insta360 X6 is locked in for a direct American rollout via Arisure Vision US. That means for US buyers wanting a high-end 360 camera outside of GoPro, the X6 will likely be the primary option. The X6 is shaping up to be the most capable 360 camera Insta360 has ever made. But they will need to justify that price gap as competition heats up. What do you think of the X6 specs and pricing? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest updates, and I'll see you in the next one.